Hey crazies, I'm just doing my intro. Anthony's walking in. That door's not going to stay closed. He's eating food that he just dropped all over my floor, and I'm about to smack him. I have big legs. I can't scoot over anymore, bruh. Good?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna do what we did last time and start with the smaller one. Don't show them what you're eating. Just keep your hand under it. These are messy. I kid you not. These are so messy.
Why are you opening?
It's a unicorn.
This time I'm trying to be less cringy.
You mean less of a pain?
No.
Stick your finger in it.
Okay.
Oh my god, that is disgusting.
Smell.
It smells really bad. To me, at least. Considering I have a
info.
really heightened sense of... Anthony, shut up. If they can't smell it... I'm just playing with it at the moment. So I like this one better than the other slime that I ordered that was like this. It's a few videos back. It's the blue and the pink ones. Yeah?
Boo-hoo.
I've got to wait for this to focus again. You got to move over again. So that's what was in... What am I saying? We don't have to recap, y'all. We're here for the first part of the video.
Oh my god! You almost killed me!
If I wanted to kill you with scissors, I would have stabbed you in the head. Ooh, this is a little bee slime. Why is there tape around it?
Because there is.
There hasn't been tape around any of my other ones.
Yeah, can you get your finger away?
That just made me think of a K-pop song by Twice. My grandmother just said Dance the Night Away, and I thought of Dance the Night Away by Twice. Way too into K-pop. Alright, what's this?
Try if you heard the background noises. And
I like this one.
And Annalisa, because she mentions everything in the background.
Oh, screw off, Anthony. I like this one. I screwed around with it.
I like this one.
Shut up.
Like that one.
No, I like this one because it just has a really nice texture.
I love slime. I'm like them girls.
I actually...
upload this on Twitch.
I don't know if I have Twitch anymore. Actually, slime helps me a lot with, like, my anxiety, which is why I get so much of it. It helps.
Great info. Real.
Anthony, you're about to get slapped if you don't shut the hell up.
No one knew.
You're about to get slapped. This big one I think is for me, but I also don't know. You ready to find out?
Wait, no, stop.
It says Affonzina Migliore on it, but everything says Affonzina Migliore on it. Everything I order always has Mom's name. So... It's a bag inside of a bag again, Anthony.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, it's quite a few bags. Hang on.
A bag inside of
Hold up.
bag
Anthony.
inside of a bag.
Anthony!
Holy
Shit. What the? So this is the small... Nope, that's empty. Never mind.
We don't know what you don't know what we're saying. I'm sorry, I stutter.
It's okay. Speech impairments are fine.
Oh, and we're
just-
back for the second time.
Yeah. Had to stop twice now.
Yeah. Third. Now we're back for the third time.
Is this... Oh. I forgot I ordered a phone case. I ordered another BTS phone case and I forgot about it. I have one on right now.
The current one.
Look, then I can put my pop socket up here with no problem. That's really high, though. Oh, well. So this is what that was. I forgot I ordered another BTS phone case.
You really don't know what we're looking at. Like, we have over
A shit ton of
three
stuff.
stuff.
3 stuff.
Okay, don't correct me. I go to speech.
I'll correct you all I want to. It's my friggin' channel. Before we try again. What's this? Map of the Soul Persona. I think these are photo cards.
She has a squishy.
I have a few squishies.
Yeah.
Those help with my anxiety too.
When I brought no.
I'm okay that you broke it. It was old. I'm just telling you, it was old. It's okay that you broke it. It was old. I can't get it. Got it.
Comment if you hate me.
Everybody's going to comment that they hate you and they don't friggin' know you.
Some do. Like if your friends watch.
The only one that knows you is Lydia, I think. That
No.
really knows you and will remember you is Lydia.
Oh. Oh.
Oh God. Do
BTS.
you see how many friggin' photo cards are in here?
Can we play Goldfish?
Go fish with BTS photo cards?
Yeah.
That would be funny as hell. I don't know if I want to go through all of these in this video, do I?
No.
I'll just show them briefly, and if you just pause it. I think that's Jimin. I can't tell it's backwards, is it? Yeah, that one's Jimin. Jin.
Jan. BTS.
All of them.
You can't even see my face.
That's kind of the point. You can't see mine either. 2, 4, 6. Hey, here's all of them. I had to count. Don't you love how I had to count? Like, is there 7 of you here? I'm about to slap you. RM. Jin. Yoongi.
Pause 4 times.
Jimin. I love how I continue like normal and you're still being a friggin' idiot next to me. Jin. Fun fact, bias wrecker. RM. My 3rd favorite. Yoongi. My 4th favorite. Jimin. I don't know what to do with. Taehyung, I don't know what to do with. I like Taehyung with blue hair. Jungkook, I don't know what to do with. My bias. Hobie. I love Taehyung with blue hair. I can't. Stop looking like an idiot behind me. I love this picture of Hobie. It's got to be my favorite card on Superstar BTS. Jungkook putting in his earrings. I don't understand how they wear their dangly earrings sometimes. Because, like, I don't even wear dangly earrings. Yeah, I wear earrings that have, like, the hook up here. I can't wear earrings that, like, dangle down my neck. This I don't understand. Why would you... The only ones that look normal in this picture are Jin.
See.
Just look at it. The dance line looks crazy. Jin, Taehyung... Why am I drawing a blank? Yoongi and Namjoon all look semi-normal. And then you get to Jimin, Jungkook, and Hoseok, and you're just like, what the hell is happening? Like, why a red shirt and pink pants with pink shoes? Why you gotta do my man like that? I like this picture of all 7 of them, though.
I like that.
Oh, look at the close-ups and the weird clothes. They did close-ups of them in the clothes that I don't agree with half of them. Oh, I don't think they're cute in these ones. Anthony, get over yourself. Okay, these are like the last ones that I'm going through. I'm not going through all of these. I have a whole other friggin' stack in my hand. So I'll finish going through these pictures. Oh my God. You said that at my bias, dude. What the hell is Jimin doing? Oh, they're grapes. Never mind. Give me a break, childrens. And this is the last one that I'm showing because I still have a whole other stack to go through and we have more stuff to go through.
Yeah, we have more stuff. Wait.
From Wish. So these are going to go back here. I should probably put these back in their box. While I'm doing that, grab a bag, Anthony. No, I mean one of the bags behind us. I mean, pick one to open next. That's what I meant. Those are dirty, garbage. You want to open the big one next?
Wait, I can open the whole thing?
Oh, you're not opening it. I'm opening it, but I told you to pick one. Or don't listen to me, and I have to take it from you.
Better be good.
Oh, it's one of my shirts. It's probably going to be way too friggin' small for me.
Can I wear it?
No.
Said it was gonna be small.
Maybe. I don't know. I got the biggest size they had.
That's
Oh, no, that's not bad. It's Dionysus.
dying Isis.
Which, if you're a BTS fan, the god of wine, the song
Isis.
is amazing.
The song is like so amazing.
I'm about to
Inspires
slap
me.
the shit out of you.
Do it.
You do know Dionysus is a song about drinking and partying, right? It's so inspiring.
Woo!
You didn't think that one through, Anthony.
Mario.
Oh, it's another 2.
Oh, Lamo. I'm not going through this again.
I'm not doing these
I'm
on
not-
camera.
I'm not eating all of them.
They're not food.
On the camera, look like they were
So,
good.
I got just a BTS one,
Okay.
and then I got a solo J-Hope one, because, you know, my heart.
Okay.
my heart.
My heart.
It sounds like you're saying, okay, please stop.
My heart. My.
J-Hope, my heart too.
Wait, what? And we got back.
Okay, I'm almost stabbed you with the scissors.
Back. Ow.
That's what you get. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
Jesus
shit.
Christ.
Haha, we have more of them. So, one of the first K-pop bands I ever listened to was Big Bang.
Okay. No.
So, I got a Big Bang one. Oh, God, which one is this? I got a Monsta X one. I do love Monsta.
I'm on fire.
This is what happens when you're cousins with a K-pop fan. I think this is 17. It is 17! Bias Burnin. Bias Shonu and Bias TOP. You're going on your tablet and we're about to open the big
Come
package.
on.
Genuinely don't know what's in this one. Don't remember what I ordered that's so damn big. But why are you looking up BTS videos? Stop, we could get... Stop it.
Oh yeah, clickbait. Oh no.
I'm not even clickbait. Just don't turn on random shit while I'm filming, for one. I'm about to smack you with this. Stop. I think this is the shirt and short set. I got Jimin.
Can I wear this small, or like that it could fit me?
You want to put on booty shorts?
Oh man.
I don't remember ordering a Jimin shirt, which is why I'm a little confused. Oh well, I like
Wait,
Jimin.
that's small. Come here.
It's not small. Get the hell out of here.
Yes, it is.
It's a crop top, Anthony. It's supposed to be short.
But it can fit me.
No, actually, it can't.
Okay.
And then here are the shorts. Bitch thought I was kidding. I think that's it. Did we open everything, Anthony?
I think. Oh, ma.
That's empty. Everything's opened. We open everything.
Bubble pop.
That's a song by Shuna.
Oh, screw you. I'm out.
No, thank you.
I'm out.
I'm doing my outro now. Like, don't like, comment, don't comment, sub, don't sub,
Don't
share.
care.
I don't care.
Ow.
Like, don't like, comment, don't comment, sub, don't sub, share, don't share. I don't care. It's your choice, not mine. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.